Oh, hi, this is Monticha. I'm trying to show you how to use this VoiceThread. All right, I'm going to use my introducing myself as, a task to show you how to use this VoiceThread. All right, first of all, I will go to our website. So the course website is right here. You go to Module 0, click on this link to get to your VoiceThread homepage. Once you click on that, you have an option to open a new window, or you can just use it right here, but I would suggest open this in a new window tab. Okay, a new tab. Now, once you have this here, I have so many classes on the left-hand side, but this would directly to be your CMR211 VA, right? So I have nothing here just yet. So I'm going to add my own, and I will create a new VoiceThread for the course. The way to do it, I'm going to click create and add media. So there's going to be a file from my computer, and this is going to be the PowerPoint file, and I will just say introducing myself, okay, as a file title. All right, so while we're waiting for this PowerPoint to be uploaded, once it's up here, the next thing you need to do is to click comment so that you can start presenting and commenting. Now, when you click comment, you would like to come down here. I would like you to use this video comment. So it's going to show something like record a video comment. So you're going to see my picture up there. All right, here we go. This is how you do your introducing yourself. This is Monticha Somponwarachai, and I can just click, the arrow on the bottom of the page to go to the next slide. And this is about me. I can move my picture here, or maybe not. It's supposed to be able to move, but that's okay. So things about me. I was born in Thailand. I got a bachelor's degree in Thailand, master's degree, and PhD in the United States. I have been with Miami since 2010. Okay, I've been teaching for the Commerce Department and Econ Department in Oxford, on Oxford campus, for this past 12 years. I said email me if you need anything. The best way to contact me is via email. I'm very responsive to email. So when you email me, please also put CMR211 VA in the subject line so that I can address your need very quickly. All right, once this is done, I can say stop recording and then uploading this file onto the VoiceThread homepage.
Introducing yourself.
So this is Monticha Somponwarachai. I'm going to save it, right? So once I save it, so my picture or my video is going to come to the left-hand side of all of these slides that I presented, right? So now it is being uploaded. So when it's done, okay, when this is done, I can click on this and I can see, and then actually you can move this around, okay?
And I can just click, the arrow.
Here we
Picture
go.
about me, degree and PhD.
All right, so I'm going to stop this right now. So once you have this file, what you're going to do next is come to the 3 lines. This is, home. Go to share. You're going to share this video, this VoiceThread video. So you are going to come to this secure tab and make sure that you share to the right class, right? So the member of this course is going to be, seeing you. Anyone can see your VoiceThread. Now you make sure that view and comment is green, so you can click share right away. So everybody in this class can see your VoiceThread. But what I want you to do a little further, this is very similar to Google document, that you are going to come to this, get a link at the bottom, and then make sure that you click view and comment, and then copy this URL, and then done. Right, so you are going to come back to this module 0 when you do the discussion. Okay, so the discussion about introducing yourself, come back here and make sure that you come down to normal reply and post your URL to this VoiceThread here, right? You can put down something like this is my introduction on VoiceThread, okay? And then you can post. All right, so that's how you do it. I hope this helped.